my husband went to the mailbox today and I got a package in the mail, which, you know, happens because it's Christmas time and we're all ordering things online right now, except there was one package that I did not order and he didn't order, and we were like, what is this? And I found out that I have a fan, and it's like the best feeling in the world. So someone just sent this to me, and I'm very excited about it, so I'm going to open it, and we'll see what it is together. I guess I'm going to open it here. It's plastic. Cool. So apparently I have a fan who's tired of me using an unbranded shaker for my Trails to Tasting stuff. And look at that. It says Trails to Tasting on it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't open it though. Good thing I'm not doing that on one of my Trails to Tasting videos. Oh my gosh. This is so... Oh my gosh. So, well, thank you so much. This is from Anna S., who has been following along with my Trails to Tasting stuff and with a lot of my foraging awesomeness. So thank you so much, Anna, for supporting me like this. This is fantastic. Wow, awesome. So you'll be seeing this in my Trails to Tasting videos from now on, because now that I have one of these bad boys with my name on it, you can bet I'm not going back to my old shaker. Yay! Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Thank you. For those of you who don't know, I do all sorts of foraging and environmental education through creating stuff, whether it's cocktails or terrariums or whatever, and your support means the absolute literal world to me. I didn't know that this was a thing that I could ask for, but yeah, if you guys wanted to send me stuff to use in my videos or in anything, you absolutely can do that, and I will give everyone a shout out who does this. And again, your support literally means the entire world to me as a small business. So thank you so much, Anna, and I will be sure to use this for forever for all of the videos. Thank you.